I have so much to share. Some of them are things I purchased. Some are gifts from brands. I purchased these glasses before I left for my trip. I've always wanted aviator glasses. I have contacts in, so I'm not gonna be able to see through these. I can't see a thing, but do we like them? Major haul from Salt and Stone, a gift from the brand, and I've never tried it. This is the Bergamo Hinoki. I try on fragrances. Usually I put it on a piece of paper because I don't want to commit, but like I've heard such good things, I'm committed. I got the body gel in the same fragrance because layering the same scent always makes it last longer and deepens it. The fragrances I'm gonna go through individually because I don't wanna overwhelm my nose. What does a beauty brand and a mattress have in common? Which is that my daughter needs a new mattress, but she doesn't need it now. So instead of buying her mattress immediately, she's like, but I really want a Crown Fair product. I'm like, great. We stopped into a store that sells Crown Fair and I bought her this hair product that she wanted. But then I got in the weeds and started playing with all their products, and they have a hair fragrance that's so delicious. So every time I passed a store that had Crown Fair products, I had to go in and spray my hair. But I'm excited to try the dry shampoo, which they did send me. I have not had good luck with dry shampoo and I've heard only good things. I had given my daughter my crop trench coat, ordered a new one, but the newer style was not double-breasted, it's single-breasted. I did not know what size I was in this new style, which bums me out because it is a final sale. Like, it works like this, and I think it's so cute. This is the back. But if I put a sweater on, I'm not sure this is gonna work. In New York, I tried on this COS sweater and loved it, but I didn't want to carry it home. I like the color because I think brown is so relevant. Wearing a crop t-shirt, not a great t-shirt to try it with. It's kind of tight across the back. British Stockings sent me a gift. They are the world's first sustainable hosiery brand of luxury socks, and since socks are huge for fall, like definitely you want to feature your socks. This is a glitter, like a glitter gold, and these are knee-highs. Stop it. These are like stocking socks. We gotta put the other one on. Super cool. Hold on. Perfect for the preppy trend of fall 2025. I ordered myself a pair of brown loafers. These are by GH Bass. I have them in black, I have them in white. Of course, they're a little stiff, but that's okay. They'll break in really quickly and then they'll be so comfortable. I love them. This is a little bit of a funkier look. I only intend to wear them with my socks. I had to change my t-shirt. I couldn't tuck that one in. That was annoying. I'm gonna share two things that Steve Madden sent me as a gift. Oh my gosh. I had to walk around my bedroom to make sure they were comfortable so I could tell you. Yes, they are. They smell so good. I'll wear these like this with shorts. I'll wear it with skirts. I have a square toe with a wider toe box, so there's like so much room for your feet in these. You can tuck in jeans. Also gifted from Steve Madden are these super cute animal print sneakers with the paracord two-tone laces. If you want to be on trend for fall, it's these and these. You're good. You know I'm a big fan of Rochelle Barron's The Shirt. They just sent me as a gift this shirt, which has a little smocking at the shoulder. It's a gauzy cotton fabric, but I gotta put it on. I really like it with these shorts, but I'm actually picturing something else. I knew it could be dressed up with a skirt. I love it. Summer is not over yet, and I just received this gift from Rivella, which makes beautiful Italian, La Dolce Vita beautiful things. As I popped it on, I could just feel the weight of the linen. It's so fine, it's just so elevated. Beautiful shirt. One of the trends I noticed when I was in New York were women wearing tall boots with shorts or mini skirts or mini dresses, like even in the heat of the summer, which I happen to love. So when I got home and I saw this gift from A. Soliani, these tall leather boots, I knew I wanted to style it with shorts. It makes a great fall transitional outfit, but colder months you can style it with your skirts and dresses and trousers and such. It's a very manageable heel. They have a gusset on the top of the boot, so if you have wider calves, this is the boot for you. I had 3 pairs of sneakers get trashed while I was in New York, and so I left those behind and ordered these Pumas for myself to arrive when I got back. Mademoiselle Jules sent me this cool necklace with the carabiner clip. You could trade out the charms to kind of express your personality or leave off the charms and have it just be clean, but the carabiner makes it a lot of fun. This purchase arrived while I was away, and I knew I had the perfect dress for them. And these came.